we have information that the government intends to gazette the land around this area, about 5,000 acres, as a forest land. This is being done with a very nefarious intention. This area is rich in minerals, and we know that the intention is not forestry. The intention is to grab this land so that they can be able to acquire the mines here and continue to mine the gold here, against the wishes of the people of Nyatike and Mutongoria at large. We want to say that this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. This is a people's land, and it should remain in the hands of the county government, not national government. Hello? Hello?
Haya, nayo kajo ya igeranio ni amukirite matata